First step. From a standing position, with the lead's body weight on right leg and foot, the lead steps forward on his left, and the lady back on her right. Second step. The lead rocks back to transfer his weight onto his right foot, and the lady rocks forward to her left foot. Third step. The lead withdraws his left foot, closing both feet together and transferring his weight to his left. Also lifting his left arm to indicate that he wants the lady to turn. He does not attempt to turn the lady, known as stirring the pot, or position his hand over her head. Simply lifts his left hand to her head level, to indicate his wish. The lady brings her right foot forward to close with the left and transfers her weight to her right foot. Fourth step. The lead uses this period to perform a figure 8 hip rotation. The lady also uses this period to create a figure 8 hip rotation. Fifth step. The lead steps back on his right and now positions his left hand over the lady's head, to assist the lady with her balance, while she turns, should she need it. The lady steps forward on her left. Sixth step. The lead rocks forward onto his left, transferring his weight to his left foot. During the lady's rock step she rotates her body 180 degrees clockwise, transferring her weight to her right foot, while positioning her body directly over it, and making sure her knee is slightly bent so that her right heel is off the ground. Seventh step. The lead closes his right foot to his left. The lady pivots on her right foot 180 degrees to face the lead, to close her feet on completion of the turn, while transferring her weight to her left foot. Eighth step. Again both lead and lady use this time to accentuate both their hip actions.